We are here now in the terms and conditions. I'm done reading. They said there is no refund. Okay, I agree. We will click the I agree the terms and conditions. The most trusted online dating site on earth. Visa issues? Check it out, filipinovisa.com. Good afternoon, this is Travel Discoveries channel. Welcome back. Today we will set an appointment in the Bureau of Quarantine to get the ICB or International Vaccine Card. Okay, identification card. So let's go to the site. Actually, I opened it already through Google, guys. And we are here now in the terms and conditions. I'm done reading. They said there is no refund. Okay, I agree. We will click the I agree the terms and conditions. And then we will select your application type. So we will select the individual and then new certificate, and we will fill up this form. Nationality, of course, Filipino. First name, type your name. Mildred for me. Last name. If you are typing, guys, you need to be careful because of course Filipino, and your name, your first name, and then your middle name and your surname, also your email address and your telephone number or your mobile number. I'm not a robot. Submit. Click I'm not a robot, and then submit. Okay, and then there's another one question. Choose BOQ service type. So we'll select the International Vaccine Certification Service. Okay, and then they said select the certification that you wanted to request. So we will select, guys, the the other one is International Certification of Vaccine for Polio. The other one is duplicate reissuance of ICV. And the other one is Certification International Certification of Vaccine for COVID-19. So this is the one we need to click it. 300 pesos. Just click. And then they said here is Certification of vaccine for COVID-19. Client needs to submit an original copy of his or her COVID-19 vaccine certificate issued by local government unit or LGU. Traveler must be fully vaccinated against COVID-19 in the Philippines. So, and then click next. Oh, there is a schedule now, guys. Earlier, I cannot connect really. Schedule available is, okay, open. The schedule for December is, okay. Wow, guys, all are the available only is December 29. What is the meaning of the red? Let us check it. So red is closed, and so if the color is red, it means that closed. There is no slots anymore or already taken, while the color green is open. So the one in December, only one slot is left, so we have no choice. December 29. Okay, December 29, select, okay, 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Okay, of course we'll select the 9 a.m. 17 slots. Okay, next. Okay, here it is now. Fill up your information. You need to check it if everything is correct. You said all fields with asterisk or all required fields to complete the application. Okay. Personal information. Okay, your birthday and then the date. Okay. And year. Because I am a female, so just click the female. Are you PWD? No. Civil status, of course, single. So, okay. Permanent address. Complete address, select countries, select it. Of course, Philippines. Select region. Select region, of course, region 6. Region 6. Western Visayas, region 6, because I am in Iloilo, guys. Okay. Select barangay. Province, of course, Iloilo. when you are typing because sometimes you get mistake. Vaccination card certificate. Please submit your COVID-19 vaccination